Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys 3 ways to go ahead and choose the new unlimited extra plan from Cricket Wireless. So I know you guys are happy about this. And also guys, please leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. Click that bell to be notified, and also comment down below if you already have the unlimited extra. And I want you guys to put your speeds. I want you guys to give me a speed test. Give us your download, your upload, and where you're from, and what area, what area you're testing in. So go ahead and leave that in the comments down below as well. Let's go ahead and get started. First way you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to call 1-800-CRICKET. So it's going to be 1-800 or 1-800-274-2538. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now while I'm on the phone, or while I'm actually on the video right now. So we actually just call 1-800-CRICKET. So I'm going to go ahead and see what goes on. So you dial that. So
welcome to Cricket Wireless.
That's what you should hear. And then what you're going to do is you're going to just keep hitting zeros.
To make a payment now.
That's it. I want you to keep hitting the zeros. They'll actually take you right to some
payment. Press 1.
They'll actually take you right to
loyal customer. Enter.
So go ahead and just keep hitting zeros until it'll take you right to somebody. So really fast, really easy.
Let's try that again. Press 1 to make a quick.
Don't make me a liar, Cricket.
Or someone else using.
Alright, so basically you hit them zeros, and it'll until it says, "Hey, the lawyers wanted to tell you that your call is being monitored or recorded."
A little trouble. Let me get one of our team members to help out.
See? That's it. And then there you go. So you'll have somebody on the line within minutes, guys, to go ahead and change over your plan. So if you do not want to call, because maybe there's going to be a lot of people calling today to actually switch over their plan, which I understand. So you know what I'm saying? That's a thing nowadays, or right now. You can actually go online and actually do it as well through the chat. I would say the chat would be kind of like the least favorite option of mine, just because things can be confused and confuddled and kind of misconstrued or messed up. And going through a chat is kind of a little bit harder on my end. I don't know. I've always found the chat option not the greatest option, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that option real quick on the PC. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the lens over that way, and let's go ahead and take a look. This is the way for the chat one. You just literally go chat right here, and then you just say, you literally type what you want right there. It's really fast and really easy, but sometimes it just gets misconstrued, and you can ask for something and you won't get whatever you want. I don't know. Not to say that their chat is horrible. It's just not something that I would do unless I really needed something done, and all I had access to was a computer. I didn't have a phone handy or whatever. So yeah, but their chat option's actually really nice as well. Really cool that they have that. So that's that right there. Then now I'm going to show you a third option real quick. So let me go ahead and here we are in the My Cricket application, guys. You can actually download this from the App Store, and it actually comes on most Cricket phones by default. So I am in my Cricket application right now, and it's actually going to show you what my current plan is. I'm on the Unlimited Max. I am grandfathered in right there, and this is the Unlimited Extra plan right there that's actually new. So as you can see right there, I can literally just select it and you're good to go. So I will select it real quick. Let me take it off the screen for just a second, just to make sure my number's not up there. Alright, so this is what you get with the Unlimited Extra plan right there. Fast LG 4G LTE data. This is Cricket may slow down. Speeds when the network is congested. Video streaming of SD quality. 480p. Anytime minutes nation. Text messaging. Unlimited US, Canada, and Mexico max speed. Data features. 3-way calling. Caller ID. Call waiting. Picture messaging. Enhanced voicemail, call forwarding, unlimited voice, domestic, unlimited SMS domestic, unlimited MMS domestic, voicemail, SMS International. Yeah, all these things right here, guys. So definitely a lot of things included, compatible with all features. So yeah, so basically that's what is included with this unlimited extra right there. So that's another way, guys, to go ahead and switch over to this plan as well. And you can also go ahead and go inside a store as well to go ahead and switch over your plan. So let me go ahead and switch it back up to the camera. Back up to there you go, guys. You have it. 4 different ways, basically. I said it was going to be 3 different ways, but it's 4 different ways to actually go ahead and change over your plan today. Slap a like on this video if you did enjoy that video and that tutorial, whatever. Like I said, go ahead and leave us, guys, with your data speeds and all that. And if you want to email them to me as well, my email is in the information section. And I will leave my referral code if you want to be, if you want to refer me as a friend or whatever. So I can, because we can both get $25 credit. So, hey, why not? You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the Cricket Nation. If this is going to be your first time switching over, or if you're a returning customer, hey, welcome back. But yeah, guys, so basically this is how you do it, and hopefully you have fun with that $60 unlimited extra plan. Let us know how you like it so far. Hopefully this video will serve in the future as well for people to come back from, you know, for a long time, for years to come. Alright, guys, peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.